In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock a chat on your WhatsApp. I'm not just talking about privacy from prying eyes, but specifically how to keep your chats locked away from your girlfriend when you need that extra layer of security. Whether it's a surprise party planning or a bro talk that's for your eyes only, I've got your back. But before this review, I have a little request from you guys. Please like this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe, and more importantly, hit the notification bell for more awesome content. That would mean a lot to me. To lock a chat on your WhatsApp, open the Consider person, tap on her or his name, scroll down and turn on Chat Lock. If you go back to your chats, you won't see that person again and your WhatsApp chat is hidden. To unlock it, scroll down and tap on Locked Chats. Now do the process of unlocking. This time you will see the person appeared in the chat.